Hi, I'm Noelle and I am going to be singing Let It Go. It was sponsored by me! And also it's going to be about ready? This is the part for a little blue light on the mountain tonight, my soul I can move isolation, and it looks like I'm in the wind is howling just like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them see. Baby, the girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Oh, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and trample it all. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The poor never bound me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the things that once control me can't get to me. Up here in the cold winter, I finally need to breathe. Possess the we got something. What they're going to say, let's do it. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fear someone's control me can't get to me at all. Up here in the cold, it's time to see what I can do to get the minutes and break through. Right here, for me, I'm there. Let it go, let it go. Yeah, I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. My power flows through the air into the ground. My soul is battling and falling vessels alone. And I once crystallizes like an accident. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. I'm lost like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. My perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.